Hello? Oh, look outside. Yeah.
Hi, Timmy. Our host Cherry is not coming into our meeting, so please wait a few minutes, and I will call her and let her join our meeting now. Thanks.
Thanks, guys. Is that me? Okay. Home screen. Okay. Yeah. Okay, can everyone see my screen?
Yeah.
Can everyone hear me? Let me put my mic on. Let's go. It's been so hot in South Africa. It's been like unbelievable. It's like it's been really uncomfortable. So let's do this. So you can see my screen. Can you see?
Yeah, all good. Whatever.
Cool. So start Bitcoin. All right. So
Hello,
there's
Jay. Hello, Jay. Can you hear me? Jay, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm not going to start.
Since
Can
the
you see
chair
the
is not here, could you be the host today?
Pardon?
Pardon?
Sorry?
Could you be the host today?
Who?
The host. I mean,
No,
the chair is not here, so
you mean
maybe.
who? Me?
Yeah.
What? Okay, I'm gonna cover her. Where is she?
Okay, we can start our discussion, and maybe you can, as the host, to start our
Okay.
market insight
Okay.
live.
Wait. I don't start. I have to open your script. Okay, give me like 1 second. I have to open the script. Give me a second.
Yeah.
So I prepare like what I'm
Never
going to
mind.
talk
Never
about.
mind. You
I'm
can
gonna.
read the
Okay.
script or not.
Okay.
It's up to you. Mhm.
Okay. The script is open. Okay. It's good. Okay. Yeah, you can start, bro. You can start.
Okay. Yeah. We can start. Thank you very much.
Hey, yo, what up? Welcome to CoinW. This is Crypto Market Insight episode 52. So Cherry is not here, so I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be the host for a while, guys. So they're gonna pay me more for this. So Cherry is pregnant right now. She's having a baby. I don't know. Yeah, I think she's pregnant. So welcome Blazing Trace, welcome Anya, and who else? Who else in here? Who else we got? I think we got Fox. I think he's disconnected right now. Oh, Blazing Trades. Yeah, Blazing Trades. You knew. So, you're kind of new, and please introduce yourself, who you are. I mean, like, Blazing Trades, who you are. Please open your mic. I mean,
Okay,
like,
so do I start now?
Yeah, who you are, like introduce to the people in here. I mean, like so people can know you better. Like,
Okay,
'cause
so
this
the
is
next page here, basically, let me just put my mark on YouTube.
excuse me, and we got Joseph back with us too, FX03, and we got Anyan Vendera,
Yeah.
and welcome
Okay,
guys.
can you hear me?
So yeah, I can hear you. Introduce yourself. So yeah,
Okay, so pretty much I'm making trades and a crypto specialist. I wasn't before, but now everything's different. And this time is different. So
that's good.
I'm
That's good.
excited to join the team. I'm excited to hear your voices and to see where we go from there.
That's good. That's good. Okay, good to hear. So we got our host here. I mean, like Cheryl. I thought you're pregnant,
Yes,
Cheryl.
hey, I'm back. My internet got
Oh yeah.
crashed. Yeah, so sorry for the late. Very happy to meet you here, Jay, Anya, and also our new friends Blazing here. Hello, I'm today's host, Cheryl.
Do you know
Okay, so
I was gonna be the host just now while you're away. So they're gonna pay me more a bit because you come, right now.
yeah, I believe you can host very well. I really believe that.
Okay, that's good. That's good. The floor is yours.
Okay, so let's get started. Hello everyone. I'm Cheryl. It's very exciting to host the crypto market insight session with our guest. Today, we are thrilled to have with us our guests who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. So as the host of today's discussion, I'll be leading us through a thought-provoking conversation that promises to be both informative and engaging. So whether you are an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be an enlightening discussion on this week's market performance, trends, and hotspots. And the live session is broadcasting on CoinW channel and CoinW's YouTube channel simultaneously. Welcome all to watch, and please be free to leave your opinions or questions about market, coin, etc. in the comment, and our guests will pick up some to answer. Okay, so let's go on. Welcome, Jay, Blazy, and Anya. Hi, welcome you guys to our live session.
Hey guys.
Very happy to have you here with us today. So this part is very, a lot of people looking forward to this market review about gainer and loser coins. So in this part, we'd like our guests to share your market insights on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto tokens you want to talk about. So please be free to share your screen and let us watch your charts. Okay, so who wanna be the first one to share?
How about ladies
Jay.
first? Oh, we got ladies here. I mean, like the new ladies. Ladies first. I mean, for me to be polite, ladies first.
Just chuck in the in.
Ladies first.
Okay. So must I go first?
Yeah, we can see it, but it's not the entire screen.
No. I need to get there. Let's see if this is it. Okay. So talking for the past few years, what have been the trade or what has been the trends that have actually been driving markets? Now let me just put headphones, please. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't see your screen. I mean,
Yeah, we can't
Wait.
see the entire screen now.
I know we'll get there, right?
it was like a quarter of it. I mean, like it's only shown at the top, so we cannot completely see in all your full screen.
Yeah. Maybe try again.
Hey, Cherry, why you come? They're gonna pay me twice because I'm gonna be the hostess now. I thought you were, I thought you were pregnant, Cherry. and and yeah, I'm
Well,
just
no,
kidding.
you can be the host. You can be the host now. That's fine.
Yeah.
Come,
You can
come
be
on.
the host and I can be the co-host. We can,
Oh
become a
yeah, I
partner.
can be the co-host. Okay.
Yeah.
How about I'm going first while Blazing fixing his
Yeah.
her
That's
screen.
a good idea.
So okay, I'm gonna go first. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
it's
Jake,
me.
go.
Okay. Okay. Share it. Windows. Okay. Can you guys see it? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, good. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Careful.
Yeah. Okay. Let's start from last night FOMC. The result is like around dot 25 bps. So
Yes.
people kind of scared, people kind of worry, guys, about the FOMC. So that's why I always told you guys, if SPY crash, crypto will fucked up, guys. I mean, like you see Bitcoin is follow the god candle from SPY, and this thing happened. And the the scary part is not SPY. The scary part, it was the fixed volatile index. It was pumping like 40-50%. And oh my god, dude, it was like 50%. But the damage is not a lot. I mean, like the damage is only 3% on Bitcoin. And quite frankly, like Bitcoin is quite strong with the SPY pullback, because there is some reason like why Bitcoin is strong right now. The reason is only one, it BTC, because it BTC is trying to holding the Bitcoin price. And when it BTC is performing and underperform is outperform Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin will not care with the news and everything else outside. And alt season is going to start 100% completely. Like I told you 3 months ago, 3 weeks ago, I was calling like 90% alt season is already start. But there is but, guys, there is but, because it's the other 10% is because BTC is still not above the dot 0.469. And if we are can go cross above, I think we are 100% alt season. And what is this? What is this? So I'm gonna show you guys like where is it? Give me one second. Give me a sec. I apologize. Okay, this is the chart. Sorry, it's gonna messy. Yep. Okay, look at the flag. Look at the flag. This is my second cycle. I was here. This is my third. And then like when this thing happened, when this thing dipped below the flag, below the super flag, this thing won't come out until at least 1 or 2 3 months. Okay, and this thing happened my second cycle in here, and this is my second cycle. And then it dipped, and then it dipped very long. And this is the worst cycle because we got COVID crash, we got a lot of shit. And then like when we are above and then retest, make a support of it, and look at the X in here, it become like this parabolic. But right now we're still not parabolic on it, because we are still stuck below our flex. Flex, it was the previous high, and we are deep right now. We are still deep. So that's why like dot 0.46, if BTC can cross 100% completely out season. But right now there is minus 10% again on this one, others D. So everything is good. I mean, like total 1, 2, 3 is good. It's above average. Total 1 is good, but right now it's double tops in here. Oh my god, where's my total? Shit. Okay, never mind. Just look at my total others D. So this is like not include top 10, but last 2 weeks, it was like this. It was like this. So I'm gonna close it like this. It was like this. So if you guys can see it, it was like this. Hold on, where's my replay? Whatever. So it was like this. There is no right candle, and then like I was thought this thing gonna be break, and last week I was thought this thing will pull up to the upside, but it decided not. And on the 2 week side, look at this. If on 30 December we can go above the sloping downtrend line, I think we can get the 90% back for out season. But it doesn't mean like we are not in bull run. Yes, we are in the bull run, but the 80% that I told you about this is the time for you guys to front run buy altcoin, buy Bitcoin. I don't think so because the price is already high. But for altcoin, yeah, some is already damaged a lot. But and you can buy it, guys. You can buy it. And this is for others and for BTC. I was longing today, and it's not looking great on the daily because it's look like rising wage. This is the break. This is the retest. So if tonight we cannot go above this up sloping trend line, we're gonna be bad until tomorrow, guys. Because today, the next 1 hour we got the final GDP, and tomorrow we got the core PC. As you guys know, I also play the economic calendar. I also like play crypto. I treat crypto like forex because I can play forex back then. So today is important because we got final GDP, and this is the last the last two high impact of the year. And tomorrow is the most important one, guys. If tomorrow the result sucks, I think the crisis will happen until Christmas, guys. Because as you guys know, I still got short. But my short is only 10% left. And that's a good thing. I already take some profit, and all my TP is already took. So that's why I got it building right now, and 2 weeks it, and I also got it from below here. So this is my super swing for it. So why I aiming for 8,500? Because look at the up sloping trend line. This one connected. This one. Oh, sorry. Weekly is more better. Weekly is more better. See the weekly. This is the parallel here, connecting to the top, the bottom, connecting to this top. So if I open this chart, how about this chart? You can see like the how much liquidity that we got on it. So give me a sec. Okay, we got a lot above. This is 4 hour. This is 1 hour, but we got below above. So that's why like today and tomorrow is judgment day. If shit happen, wow, this thing is going to crash. But if this thing perform, and look at this, on 1 hour we got support in here, and that's good. And we still got both side liquidity in here, and we still got both sides. But the problem is which one they're gonna take. So we don't know yet, and I don't know yet. I will know tonight or tomorrow if shit happen. But right now there's still some coin that's still performing, and like H bar, like usual. Oh, my usual is pumping. Okay, this is my usual. I mean like okay, CoinW. I think you have to release this coin. I mean, like I love this coin so much. Usual. And there is okay. I'm gonna give you guys a secret. There is two coins that similar like usual, and it have been accumulated by whales this week and last week. So this is available on CoinW. First, we got Move, and this thing will be strong like usual. So this is spot on CoinW. And second, MA is stand for Magic Eden. So Magic Eden is the best platform for NFT because I was an NFT player back then on last cycle. So I mean like OpenSea is nothing right now. So this is number one, Magic Eden. So this is spot. And this is my second entry, my third entry around 2.5, 1.5, and this is my first entry around 3.2. And guys, I believe this thing is going to be like usual. So this is new coin that have utility volume because I saw it. The volume is keep coming, So that's it. Thanks, guys.
Okay, thank you very much, Jay. Thank you for the sharing to us. It's very impressive as usual. That's very great. Thank you very much, Jay. So I think Blazing.
Yes.
Yeah. So what do you think can start here? Do you stand the same perspective with Jay, or you stand the different?
No, I actually stand percepting by Jay. I think he's got a challenging, like, sorry, I keep repeating myself or hearing myself. But I think he does have a very good justification.
Okay.
And look, if we look at the whole backdrop of 2024, we can look at a variety of things. We can think of Fed rate decisions. We can think of, the presidential trade. We know that everything's coming in favor on crypto. So now it's been set up. We just need to set the pace and we need to basically show the road forward. So I'm very much okay with that. I do think there's other cryptos as well that we look at. And a lot of them have been highlighted, like Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Dogecoin, the Ripple. But there's so much more in the new year that we can also look at. And it depends on what front we want to compare.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So Blazing, you wanted to share your screen and like all the audience, can watch your charts you wanted to share to us. It will be more, yeah.
Okay, so just get on my screen. So crypto's futures, they haven't been around for long, for quite a while. Okay, so if we look at Ethereum, their futures also started. It was relatively like recently. And if we look at Bitcoin, they started, it was in 2017 or 2015, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2017. All right.
Blazing.
Can you see the trade? Or can you see the screen?
No, not yet.
Still not?
No, still not. Oh, now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's working.
So now this has indicators and everything, but this is Bitcoin and this is for the futures contract. Okay, now all of this, it's a bit messy. So what we can do is we can just get rid of it. Okay. So the first thing I do here, if we just look at the 12 month, for example, what we can do is we can start looking at the last low and the last high. Okay? We could do it for the whole period, but then we could also split it up. What we can also further do is obviously go into the deeper time zones. So I'm going into daily. And here. Okay, so I'm working here on the weeklies. All of these I'm deleting. Okay, so now we're going to see how these things would play out. For example, if we wanted to follow the indicators here. Now, from what we've seen, is that there's been periods of consolidation, and now all I've added is the Fibonacci. So I've added the Fibonacci level, and that was from, I think I added it from 2017 to 2019. Okay, so over time, we're going to go through like the story of Bitcoin and everything. But now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you some prominent moments. And what we can see is how it corresponds with some of those actual, like, some of those actual regulatory milestones. Okay. So I'm just talking through this. So firstly, April 2021. That's when we first tried to set that big milestone. So during this time, we need to realize that interest rates are down because now there's the whole COVID pandemic. So money is being pumped into the economy. And so crypto and speculative aspects are going up. Then we get this point, okay, April 21. And then we've also had some problems with, we had the likes of FTX, we had a few problems with regards to regulators, specifically on the crypto realm. Then what we had here, okay, now to spur this rally, first of all, was the institutional adoption. And what came from that? Well, that was the whole Elon Musk thing. So that's another thing that was spurring it. So we've got a retracement from the whole pump, and then we're going up here. And then once again, it's the Federal Reserve with low rate decisions that are bumping it up. We also had crypto and PayPal, well, PayPal and Tesla saying that they're going to accept crypto, which was also a big wake. So we've got all these drivers of price action, but all this time, what's standing in the way? It's regulations. So now, as we go into it, we're seeing now a new set. So now this is a headwind. And now we've heard the Federal Reserve, we've heard their rate decisions, and quite frankly, Bitcoin's not necessarily a speculative asset anymore. What we're seeing it now is it's more of like a friend to gold than anything else. So I think this year it paves the way for these speculative assets. Well, what were, but now they've got value, and the value is the blockchain. It's always been that the acceptance was relatively skeptical. So that's my view. Going into here, I'm still going to be following my technicals, but I do think that we need to pay a lot of attention between the correlation between interest rates and Bitcoin, as well as the correlation between Bitcoin and the unconventional assets that we had before.
Wow, okay. That's I can see here. Okay, thank you very much, Blazing. Thank you for your sharing to us. Sorry, my internet is not very stable today, so it has some hosting today. Thank you a lot, Blazing, and the share is very comprehensive, I think. And for the today's and also this week's hotspots and also the hot trading, Anya, do you have any thoughts or things wanted to share with us?
Hi, hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hi, Anya.
All right, so let me just share my screen and let's quickly do a deep dive into the market. All right,
Okay.
hi Jay, and welcome Blazing Trade. I think this is the first time I'm going to be share screen. Can we see my screen?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know if you can't see it. Okay.
There we go.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. All right. So currently this chart for boom. So let's take a look at that's of BTC, and let's see what we the state of the market and what's happening. And because we take a look at it yesterday, we saw, in fact, for the
Yeah.
past 2 weeks now, we've seen the market already, you know, going down. The market is dipping, and at times you might want to wonder what's happening, what's really going on. Are we not supposed to be in the bull run? Is the market not supposed to going up? And what's happening by the way? I know a lot of people have that question in mind, and don't worry, your question is going to be answered, and let's take a look at the market. When it comes to cryptocurrency, one of the things that we don't just do is that we don't just rely on just one aspect of what constitutes the financial industry. So that is, we don't just rely on the technical analysis alone. We also make do of the fundamentals, and we also take a look at the narratives. Why narrative, fundamentals, and technical analysis is very important. Another aspect that we also need to focus on, which is very, very important, is risk management. Can we still hear
Yeah.
me?
Yeah, we can see. We can hear you.
All right.
Loud and
Thank you very much. All right. So, but now let's first take a look at what is happening in the market and why the market dips. And I'm also going to be showing us some ninja to some of the things that we can actually take a look at. And to now first, this is the chart of BTC, and I'm currently on the 1 day chart frame. So let me hide this let me hide this some of this range. So I want to hide it. Okay. All right. Okay, so if you take a look at the charts for BTC, at the time where this phase here from where we had our demand and supply zone, and after it broke that particular phase, which was in November of 2024, before BTC started to peak, and we saw it skyrocket, broke new all-time high, and went all the way to over 100,000. In fact, was it not last 2 days ago? So last year, 2 days ago, we saw BTC broke another all-time high of $108,000, and
Yes.
all of a sudden the market stank. You might be like, what's happening? The market, and well, that is because apart from the little for the news, right, which is the Fed rate that caught, apart from that, we already have a lot of buyers, and these guys actually need to offload their bags to for the market to recharge. Although it was expected that the market ought to move from the Bitcoin market to the other altcoins, but that didn't really happen. But when Bitcoin starts to tank, after breaking the new all-time high, and from what we had there, we saw that the market start to reduce drastically, which made a lot of impact on altcoins. Not even on BTC now, on altcoins, because a lot of people are really look, okay, if BTC should fall, they know that definitely is altcoins that is going to be purely affected. So now let's quickly take a look at our chart. Now currently the RSI for BTC is 57.38. Now if BTC should dip alone, now currently with the RSI position of BTC currently, it's still showing that we have a lot of buyers. We have buyers. We still have buyers who still believe in that Bitcoin we're still going to move. Of course, I also believe that Bitcoin is still going to move, but not exactly at the price. We still do much so believe in Bitcoin. So who are actually holding strong for Bitcoin, right? So that is why we can take a look at it from our RSI that BTC is on 57.20, while the other RSI is at 63.32. Okay, can we still hear me?
Yeah, we can hear it.
All right.
Also, yeah, see your screen.
All right, thank you very much. So it is still holding very strong, even though not as high as we expected. And let's also take a look at the RSI market for it, the heat map for it. Let's see something. Let me reload this. So this is a 4 hours heat map, and we can take a look at what we have here. We can see that majorly it is the altcoins that are being oversold. But if you consider it based on 1 hour time, I mean based on 24 hours time frame, even the altcoins that are oversold are not strongly oversold. Like for example, now let's take a look at FET, for example. Now the RSI for 24 hours is just 38.61, and which the RSI for 1 week is 48.5. So, and if we go back to our chart using BTC for example, we go back to our chart, we are going to see that for us to determine whether a coin has been oversold or an asset has been oversold, it has to go below 30. It has to go below 30, and if to show that it is overbought, it has to go above 70. But currently none of the tokens are actually below 30. They are still oversold. So meaning that for any pullback that Bitcoin does, they are still going to dip the more. For example, now I put for taking a look at BOME. So I set a buy order here. This is where I set a buy order. Although looking at the daily RSI, it is showing that it is oversold, but it is not strongly oversold. So if there's any drawdown in BTC and it affects Solana, definitely Boom
Yes.
is going to be affected. Now, majorly coins that are under layer 1 tokens, for example, now the Solana, likes of Solana, the like of ETH and BTC. Now, if they should dip, every other tokens that is being that is being built on them will also dip. For example, now using Solana, for example, so currently we can see that Solana is currently at 207.3, and it got to about it got to 200 exactly. So, but if you should have Solana dip below this particular price, so it is going to affect the other market. The other markets like Boom. Where is it again? It's going to affect the other markets like Boom. So now, which made me to set a buy order for Boom at 0.0058, right, for a long position. But currently, if you are a spot trader, you can start accumulating right now. If you are a spot trader, because this is going to be very massive by the time the pullback start. So, all right. But if you're a futures trader or if you're a futures trader, you can just also take the same risk. But this is not a financial advice. Okay, on no occasion should you consider it as financial advice. So also let's take a look at ETH. For example, let's take a look at ETH. Let me put it here. Now, when ETH dip, every token that is also under ETH as well dip as well. And currently ETH is at 50.04, so it's on the average, so it is not being oversold, and it is not being overbought. So now tokens like people which are actually built on ETH. So let's take a look at people. You see how the so let's take a look at people. This is people. Now people is currently at 47 point. At first we set a buy order, but guess what? It's broke the buy order. We immediately we exit because we saw the direction of which the market is going. Now people is also sold, like, but it's not oversold. So there's a possibility that we are also going to see people at 0.0426. Now these are coins that for example, if ETH drop, every other coins on ETH is going to drop that have been built on it as well is going to drop. And I've actually made an analysis based on this. Within within um within 10 to 16 days, there is always a market reversal for people. For example, now if you take a look at this, whenever we have we draw down, from where it is 16 days before it got to a very high, around 0.8 or 0.7. For this, it was 8 days when it's deep, and why for this it was 10 days. For this, it was 12 days. Why for this, it was also 10 days. So now, if we should see people between any moments from now to 0. Let's say 43 to 0.4342. So it will take another 10 days for us to see people at from 0.07 to 0.08. So this is just this is based on the technical analysis, right, and the tools, right. So now
Yes.
Um, am I lost to you? I can't hear you now, Anya.
can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's good.
All right. So if you take a look at it now, stocks stumble after Fed cuts rate, signal slower cuts pace. Now it wasn't just the stock market that got
Stumble.
deep. Now Fed cuts rate by 25 pp as expected. Real estate, consumer, discretionary sectors weak, and crypto stocks fall on power comment. So this is fundamental analysis, and this is the news. So we know that anytime there is a news about Fed, what either it's going to make the market to go bullish or the market is going to go bearish. So and currently with the effect of the Fed rate that happened yesterday, we saw the market stand. So that is why the market really went deep there yesterday. And we know another thing is that Christmas is coming, the festive season is coming. So what should be expecting is that meme tokens, a lot of meme tokens are going to be created. In fact, some of them have been created already to sell in quotes now to celebrate Christmas, and this is going to make some tokens in the meme space to go very bullish. So you just need to position yourself ahead. But then this is not a financial advice, and on no occasion should you
No.
consider it as a financial advice. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And but before I go, you can always consider the RSI heat map to know if you are watching on any token to know currently how strong or how weak the token is, either for you to long or for you to short. So this is also another method you can use for your trade. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing now, and thank you very much. Right, bye. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Anya, sharing to us. It's very comprehensive, and I can see Blazy really agree with your sharing, and she likes not all the time. Yeah, I can see it.
I
Yeah,
am.
yeah,
I
that's
think
good.
I think my perspective for the next year is pretty much like on point with Jay. It's just obviously now getting everything up to scratch and doing my strategies, and yeah, then hopefully I can share them too, and we can start,
Mm-hmm.
I think this is going to be a very interesting year. We've got
Yeah,
changing politics, we've got transformations, we've just got a lot that's
yeah,
going for us.
yeah. That's right. That's right. And also, we prepared some, the discussion questions and wanted to share with you guys. So let me share my screen and let's discuss now. Hold on a sec. Uh, my internet. Okay, okay, okay. I'm open it. Okay, so can you guys see my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So here's a question. It's about the buying portfolio. So is this a time to buy the dip? And for this question, I know Jay is very professional, so I want to hear Jay's first answer to us. And if you were to build a dip buying portfolio with no more than 5 tokens, including like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, meme coins, altcoins, blah blah blah. So which ones would you choose?
Hmm. 5? Really?
Yeah, 5.
5, yeah. So I'm gonna
Jay's
take.
probably got like 500.
No, 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 no,
So
no. I only get less than 30 or something because we cannot buy everything, guys. It's too much. It's too much. I mean, like this cycle is not like my. I've been around since first cycle, right? I mean, like first and second, it was like nothing too much, only Stellar, XRP, XML. But right now, I think I'm gonna like pick each section narrative, each like meme, gaming, AI, layer
mhm.
two, and what else? Yeah, if only can five, yeah. Uh,
Dislike?
DeSci, decentralized science. So I'm gonna throw DeFi because people is already done with the borrowing stuff. So in gaming, I'm gonna pick. Sorry, let me check. In
Okay.
gaming,
Do you want
in
to share
gaming.
your screen? I can.
Oh yeah, but people can see everything. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Sharing is caring. No worry.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you still sharing your screen?
Oh, oh, okay.
Okay, Miles. Thank you, Miles. So in meme, I'm gonna pick this one, Myro, for sure, Myro.
Mhm.
Why? Because the teams behind is the teams that creating Shiba Inu, and I was blessed last cycle with Shiba Inu pump, and I won't forget what Shiba Inu did for me. So I will support Myro since they did a lot of things for me. I mean, like they blessed my life with Shiba Inu last cycle. And for gaming, this thing is good, but I only can pick one, right? So I'm gonna pick a studio. I'm gonna pick a studio. So I'm gonna pick this one. So this is Gala. Look at these guys. So many heat maps in here. So many heat
Yeah.
maps. I mean, like if I changing to liquidation levels, so see so much food. I mean, this is a food, guys. This is money. This is money we're talking about. So I'm gonna pick Gala. I'm gonna pick Gala. So because Gala get two narrative gaming NFT. Sorry, three gaming NFT and it because Gala is built on it ecosystem. So Gala, and I'm gonna actually I love Pepe for me, but you guys only allow me to pick one, so I'm gonna pick my hero since Pepe already Pepe is already so good for and this is for decentralized science design. So maybe you guys heard it nowadays, because like there's new narrative they it called DeSci, decentralized science, and this is Trail, Origin Trail, and not many people know about this. So that's why like I love this coin. I love this coin since no one tracking this coin. I'm like I don't like a coins that been sealed by influencer. I mean like, hey, buy this coin. It will 5x, 10x, 20x. Oh no, I'm not gonna buy that, guys. I'm not gonna buy this because I'm scared we are gonna be a liquidation exit. So I'm not gonna buy that. So this is for AI. I'm gonna pick Fiat for AI, and well, it's almost hit my entry, guys. So maybe yeah. So yeah, this is but. Let's see on EMA 21. So this is my entry actually, EMA 21. So okay, I'm gonna teach you guys something, guys. If you guys like don't know how to enter, I mean like just use EMA 21 on the weekly. So that's your entry. And look at this, we are below the entry of my EMA 21. So if you guys can go around dot 56, 37. So this is good for fire. And I think this thing can make 20, 30 or even 50. And layer 2 ya, last layer 2. Oh, layer 2 easy pick, layer 2 is easy pick. This one easy Lido. I mean like, fuck, I love Lido, guys. I mean like Lido. So because why I pick Lido, because I think since I don't pick DeFi, Lido is also DeFi. So Lido got three narrative, two, DeFi, it narrative. So if DeFi pump, Lido will pump. If it pump, Lido will pump. So two narrative. I don't like is they only have like a single narrative, because like if you have 2-3 narrative, I mean like if this narrative play out, it can perform like gaming. So gaming actually get 2 until 3, because some game they use NFT as use case. So if they have NFT, if NFT perform, okay, that game will pump. If gaming perform, that game will pump. So, and the third, why I love gaming, if they have a blockchain backed by for that game, like let's say Gala is backed by it. So Gala is triple narrative, NFT, gaming, and it. So that's why like I pick Gala and Lido. This is it and DeFi, and this is my Lido spot, and I'm gonna show you my Lido derivatives. For where is my Lido? I mean like this is Legion, guys. Look at this. I mean like I've been holding this since 11 November, and with the crash last night, it's okay, it's fine. It's only like loss. I mean like half. That's okay. I still holding. I was pumped like 50, and it dropped 28. So it's only dropped like the third of it. So it's still fine. It's still fine. So yeah, layer to Lido. How about you guys? Blazing, Anya, and I think only 3 of us, right?
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
I know you're really fond of layer 2 and also the game NFT. So what do you think about Penguin?
Oh, who?
Penguin.
Who? Sorry. Sorry. What? Can you type
Pen-
it? Can you type it the tickers? I mean.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, what is that? Can you type it? Yes. Wrong words, wrong coins. Type it here. Yeah. Can you type it? Where you type it? To do. She's disconnect, guys.
I
Oh,
sent
Pengu.
it. Yeah, Pengu.
Shitcoin. Shitcoin. I mean like shitcoin. I mean like Pengu has only gotten the NFT of the penguin, right? That one, right?
Yeah.
Am I correct? Yeah, shitcoin. No. No use case. Shitcoin. Not for Pengu. Not for Pengu. I mean like you got better option, guys. You got better option. Look at the chart of Pengu. It's so crap. No, not Pengu, right?
To me, the whole thing is that now, okay, so go back to 2009. What happened then? We had Dogecoin. I mean, no, we didn't. We had Bitcoin. Okay, we had Bitcoin, Ethereum. Later down the line, we had Dogecoin. Now, if you look at all of those today, what do they have in common?
What?
If you look at the coins, if you look at Bitcoin, if you look at Dogecoin, and you look at Ethereum, for example, and Cardano, they've all
A
got
dino?
some use.
A dino? A dino narrative?
Ada.
Yeah, all is dino. It's all coin. All is dino. We call it dino. It's an old coin.
Okay, yeah. Well, I mean altcoins as well. So everything in the beginning, and it's the same as money. Money means nothing unless you give it a value. So now, if I give you $1 bill, okay, and tell you to stomp on it, is that dollar going to have less of a value? No. So what's happening now with all of this is we're going into a new era where we know governments are going to start accepting these coins in some way, shape, or form. Now, in my opinion, it sounds very much like when the gold standard came. Because now, money printing, like we can't print enough dollars, so start compensating them for something else that's more readily available. And that's why I always thought that crypto did actually hold value. And then we started to see Ethereum, but the whole time was that regulatory, that barrier tape, that red barrier tape. Now that's kind of been like between Elon Musk and Donald Trump over the years, they've been taking it off. Why? Because Elon Musk, like he says, yes, he's the hero for Dogecoin, but why I say that all of these play a part is we also have to look at their campaigns running up. Donald Trump didn't have a whole lot of money. A lot of crypto exchanges and Elon Musk funded that. So that sets a whole new precedence for when we're looking into the price action for the new year. So even if we're looking at now new coins to replace others or to kind of continue, for example, Bitcoin has its limited supply. So we know the ones with limited supply, we have to think now if these assets are going to have a bigger scheme, well, a bigger say in the grander scheme, then what's it going to be and how are they going to actually complement each other? Because I don't believe it's only going to be one coming up anymore and just being the dominant force.
Your point is?
So my point is, looking into the new year, like I'm looking at which ones will actually work together. And instead of saying one supplements the other, see what can have the greatest force through maybe like a sort of portfolio diversification, but it doesn't have to be to that extreme. Even just getting started to see, I don't know if our users actually understand what coin performs what function. If that makes sense.
What? Sorry, can you repeat the last one?
Okay,
What
never
coin
mind.
perform?
I said, or even to look at what coins perform what function.
What function? What do you mean by that?
So, okay, so for blockchain, for Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin's function? It's peer-to-peer.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's one-to-one. Then we've got things like, for example, we've got Ripple. And what's that? That's supposed to be for banks
Payment.
and exchanges. So now, isn't that a different function? same as Ethereum. So each of them are working in another scope of things, if that makes sense.
Okay, so what's the point of all of this? I mean, like, explain it. Is that
Okay, I
only
think
the
I guess.
market?
I think I get what she's trying to say. Like, these are
Okay, okay,
tokens
explain it.
that
Explain it.
one
Explain
can actually
it.
take a
Explain
look
it.
at. And take a look at Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? I think that's what she's trying to say. That is
Ah,
just yeah, she's just trying to give more explanation on their functions and their
okay,
utilities and
okay. I
like
think
I'm
everybody.
I
saying
think
to
I got
look
it.
into the new year.
All right, so to look into the, I think that's what she's saying. All right, if I'm to talk about the five tokens one can hold for these for this market condition, well, first, this is not a financial advice, and on no occasion should you consider it a financial advice. So first, like I do say, is that you need to first take a look at the industry, and you look at the industry, and we know one of the one of the what's it called now? One of the policy that can make the crypto market to go very bullish is the policies that is being made either by the US or or anything that happen in the US, right? Any policy that is being made in the
Yes.
US do affect the crypto market. So, and if you take a look at Trump, he has actually been talking majorly about crypto now, and he has been looking into AI. So it means that tokens that are AI tokens have the not even have the possibility, they are going to do very massively well in the coming bull. But then how do you now know the kind of tokens to get for to hold for the bull run? Well, that is going to be based on your own research, and so you can take a look at AI tokens. Another one is I like I do say layer one tokens. These are tokens that every other token is being. If you take a look at SUI suite, now it's been doing massively like since the beginning of Bitcoin peak. SUI has also been doing fantastically well. So you can consider SUI as one of the tokens you might want to hold for the bull run. And another token is which they also talk about is the GameFi and NFT tokens. Now we for every bull run, the game tokens are always at their peak. So we know that this coming one, I mean, or this coming bull run, they would not be left out. So you can consider game tokens and the NFTs as well. But like I said, the type of the specific tokens to hold, you have to do your own research, and because when it comes to making money, you should be able to uh, do your research by yourself. So that's why I won't be giving you a specific tokens to to look into. So that's why I'm giving you the industry. I just want to focus on the hair high, the layer one tokens, the game tokens, and lastly, which is the meme tokens. But this particular one, you have to be very, very careful with it, because we know how the meme token works. It's the crocodile eating crocodiles. All right, so thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for Anya's answer and also the recommendation, and also thank you for Jay and Blazing's sharing to us. It's very informative. And also we prepared, one question about the Bitcoin future outlook. So I think I can, I don't need to share the screen. Just let me repeat the question. So the question is, the final FOMC meeting of 2024 has concluded. Has the rate cut impacted Bitcoin's future outlook? And has Bitcoin rally already priced in expectations for next year? So what do you guys think about this question? Do you think already the Bitcoin is already priced in?
In my opinion, yes.
Okay.
To a certain extent, or to at least like quite a big extent, with regards to Bitcoin. Because remember, Donald Trump, there have been, we've had mentions of Bitcoin reserves, so that kind of solidifies where Trump wants it with regards to the bigger scheme of thing. And then we've also got, I mean, the 21 million supply. It's not indefinite, so I do think that that can actually, hold the supply. But then again, there's also it's ever evolving, and there's always developments. So
Mhm.
I'm not too sure, Jay.
Hmm?
What do
What do
you
you
Sorry.
think?
think? What do you think about this question? Do you think the Bitcoin already priced in?
Yes, but I think I showed you guys last week, right?
Yeah,
I
yeah, I
think,
think about
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. I think still got. No, it's this question is about the final FOMC meeting, right? But I think the important one is not the FOMC. It's tomorrow. Tomorrow is the
Yeah.
core PCE. Not and today the final GDP, and I think it's out. Wait. I think the news is
Yep.
out. How much is that? I think it's. Let me check. Let me check. I have to trade
Where
the
was
news
it?
after the
Wait, let me
the
also
final
check.
GDP. Final GDP. Let me check. Let me check. Because
Wait, I've got Bloomberg. Yes, it's fine.
today and tomorrow we'll decide what we'll get for Christmas. So I will get the pump or I will get the Santa Rally. But from my experience during the bull run, this is my fourth and I always get the Santa Rally. I mean like 3 out of 4 always have Santa Rally. I'm not trying to
Ah,
be bullied. I have short. I have short to be honest. I have short. So, but I don't know. Maybe this year there is no Santa Rally, or maybe there is. I'm trying to be like natural, yeah. So let's see. Let's see the news. Is I think it's going. Just give me a second. Give me a second. I have to check from my phone. Can I check in here? Initial jobless claim lower than expected, so that's good. That's good for US. That's good for crypto and final GDP. Uh, Final GDP. Okay, this one. Oh, higher. The gross domestic product not so good. So it's 1-1. So price will stock and it will decide by tomorrow on core PC. I'm gonna live guys on CoinW. So I'm gonna do some crazy stuff. Maybe I'm gonna bomb something. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Tomorrow. Okay,
Yeah, tomorrow.
okay.
next.
Let's see.
Tomorrow is a big thing.
Alrighty.
Yeah, yeah. So, Anya, what do you think? Are you with Jay and Wizzy, or you have something, something new?
All right, thank you very much. I do agree with them. But the later part of the question, which is if BTC has really rallied, probably I'm the one that didn't get that part of the question. But if the question is um, if BTC has reached the expected price for next year, if that's the question, to me it's a no because uh, there's still more room for BTC to move. And let me share my screen with us so that we can know. We've not even seen the price of BTC yet.
Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Can we see my screen?
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
What about now?
Not yet.
Still. Oh yeah.
It's loading.
All right,
Yeah.
so this is the Z score, and if you notice, most time we come live, I talk about Z score for BTC, and the Z score determines whatever the Z score is, we can also note the price. Now, during the bull run, the last bull run when Bitcoin reached 60K, the Z score was at this price about 7.13. That was the highest. And the bull run, the previous bull run before the last one, the Z score was at 10.04. And currently now the Z score for BTC is at 3.33, and Bitcoin is still at 100K. So do you see that it hasn't even gotten, at least for every bull run, at least we don't see the Z score at all. The Z score should be around 7. So and we are currently at, we are not even at 3.35. Okay, I think we are at 0.36, right? So imagine when the Z score gets to 7. So what would be the price of BTC? So I have not really seen the price of BTC move for next year. So we are just kick starting. So everybody should get set and prepare. All right. So that's just it. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much. Thank you, Anya, sharing to us. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And for our today's topic and also the discussion, Jay, Blazing, and Anya, do you want to add something up or have some recommendations to our audience here?
I'm good. I'm good.
Blazing,
All
do
right.
you?
For me, I will say that you need to manage your risk accordingly. Now, there's a way you get money in the crypto space, and there's also another techniques to keeping the money. So, meaning that you need to be financially intelligent, right? So you
Mhm.
shouldn't just wait because the money is coming, then you should go all in. You should know how to manage your risk accordingly. If you don't, the market will teach you how to. All right. Thank you very much.
If you don't, the market will teach you how to. Yeah, that's a slogan. Thank you, Anya. So Blazing, do you have like something you want to add up or recommendations to our audience today?
Um, no, well, I think as we get into the holiday festivities, I think also protecting your capital, especially if you're going away and stuff like that, that's imperative. And to me, that's the number one rule. Like, listen to the news, but also know your trades, know your risks, and limit it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's really it's really great. And also stay tuned with CoinW's official Twitter and also Jay, Blazing, and Anya's Twitter because they will continue to share very valuable information about the crypto and also the news, the training, um, etc. So be sure to keep an eye on CoinW and also our esteemed guest. They will share a lot of really valuable insights on the world of crypto. So I think our today's live session is going to finish today. Thank you all for joining us. And today's live stream is very important for our audiences, especially under this market. And please, everyone, stay safe and take care about your spot. Good luck. And overall, I'd like to thank you, everyone, for joining this inspiring discussion today. Thank you, Blazings. Thank you, Jay. And also thank you, Anya. Thank you very much.
Bye, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah,
Ciao.
see you next
See you
Bye,
Thursday.
soon.
guys.
See
Bye,
you.
guys.
Bye.
Chill.